primer and the mold and all of that we started before I take this time off. So hopefully we're gonna finish that in like within like 3 weeks. My timeline is, and then we're gonna start working on the bundle 80 by 80 for the backing fabric and for the primary tufting cloth both together. We are currently have it as like virtual bundle, but for now it makes a lot more sense just to make it as like physical bundle. So I just created. Let me share my screen. You have something to say?
No.
Um, can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's visible.
Awesome. Okay, so I just created this new folder, bundle 80 by 80. Starting date should be today, and hopefully within like 4 weeks from today, we need, which is Monday the 13th, July 13th, is our goal to finish the whole project and start. Chris should be start like producing this product. So July 13th is our production date. This time we want to be like 100% strict on deadlines and due dates and production date. We want to be more strict on suppliers, when to start producing, when to ship, when to everything. So we want to be a little bit more strict on due dates as well. So start date is today. We want to update the sheets, product and supplier information, inventory sheet, and product analysis sheet. There's no due dates for these yet, so just like do them whenever you have all the information, if that makes sense. And then today and tomorrow I'll check on the competitor analysis and the keyword research. And we canceled the in-depth research because we know what the product is, we know everything about it. The price analysis, Madiha, should be done by Wednesday morning, my time. I will be taking a look at it. Product research and USB doesn't make sense, but we know everything about it, so I canceled them. Barcodes, I'll be working on them. Okay, so barcode, search for instructors. I already canceled it. We have instructors. Product specification sheet. This is very important. I gave it, Naveed, I gave it till Sunday next week. So Monday morning it should be done. You know, with the product specification sheet, it should have everything on it. So whatever is missing, please send me a message, send Naveed a message, whatever you need to do. Let's just finish it by Sunday, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
That's for Naveed. And then raw samples, maybe I just added a note for you here saying that we don't want Chris to send the actual product. We just need pictures and video of the product. So everything moves faster.
Okay.
Amazon listing detail sheets. I'm still like doing on due dates. Listing detail sheet should be after the barcode. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No, Friday, this Friday. The draft listing. The Friday, I'm gonna go with Sunday. Package brief. So, which one of you guys usually do the draft listing? Remind me. Maybe this is yours.
Listing tasks, I never did. They all done by Hamdan. But recently I opened the cases regarding listing.
So who does draft listing? Maybe you can do it, right?
Yeah, I can do it.
Yeah. That's since Hamdan used to do it. Package brief. Package, we have everything. We just need to resize it. We have everything on Canva, and even Chris have everything on Canva. It has all the files and everything. So I'm gonna get it. Son, yes. Okay. And that, maybe I need you to talk to Chris for multiple things, and that's one of them. So, package brief. Yes. We used to have everything like here on description. What happened to them? Do you know how to do the package brief?
Yeah, I will figure it out, but not sure about the
We
description.
have everything. We have everything. If you go to Confluence, you can see everything there. Just type in on the search box package brief, and you can read the SOP.
Okay.
Go to Confluence. Okay, so that's draft Sunday. So this week we need to finalize a lot of things. I need you guys to like keep focusing on this because we need to start producing as soon as possible. So this week it's going to be a little bit more tasks to do. Hopefully the week after and after, just like finalizing these tasks. Finalize supplier. We already know the supplier, so I'm going to cancel that. Inspection. Yeah, we might do this fiction actually. So inspection we need it after we are done producing or doing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll give it until remote it. Package design. Okay, so package design is same concept. And maybe we have everything, just resize it.
Okay.
Someday. Again, I'm gonna put a lot of tasks for this week. We need to finalize it the week after, just in case I have some comments, some feedbacks. Supplier did not reach out back, so I'm gonna put a lot of things for this week. So I need you guys to really focus this week so we can finalize everything.
Thank you.
Image copy, listing copy. So and shot list. We already have everything. Let me think about those and get back to you guys. Let me see. I think we have everything. I just need to figure something to mix both products together. So we have pictures that make sense for the product. So for this one, and we have the images with no text as well. Okay. Let me think about the pictures and get back to you guys. Shot list, we already have everything. We might add some influencers to give us. Actually, Madiha, I want you to go through the images that we have and figure out any pictures that we can use for the bundle.
Okay.
Find pictures and include folders. Okay, so for this one, for June. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Let me focus again. Pictures. Let's go with next Wednesday. So you have maybe a couple of dates from next week as well. Yes. Let's start date. I'm gonna put today. So you have 10 days to go through them. Okay, listing copy. Design. Final check on listing. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here. I think that's enough for 1 week for this product. Just go through them again. Okay, together, guys. Update the sheets, competitor analysis, keyword research, and price analysis, Mediha. And then barcode for me, a product specification sheet. Maybe this is very important task. Contact the supplier for dry samples. Which one of you guys usually talk to the suppliers?
I had some tasks previously.
Okay, but who is our main person in contact with them?
I
Should-
just do regarding shipments, Batul. George asked me to do regarding shipments, a discussion for Chris and Leon, not about other things.
Okay, so for dry samples for this product, I'm gonna ask Naveed to do it. Just ask them to send it whenever they can. Okay, so let's just give me a second. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so first of all, picture of the package. The package is for both together, both sides, etc. Picture, yeah, printed. Card, package card. Do you know the package card? The one that has the name on it and the sizes and everything. Oh, that's the only one actually that we have. Okay, so picture of the PVC bag, picture of the package, and picture and video of the final product with its packaging. Do you have any questions, maybe regarding this?
Um, Not right now. I will definitely reach out to you if I have one.
Okay, the thing is, I'm not sure when you reach out, just like focus 100% with me now. So if you have any questions, try to ask me while I'm in the meeting. I don't know how after the meeting my day would be like. So just like stay focused with me just in case you have any questions or anything is not clear enough.
Okay, noted.
All right, so the raw samples, just pictures, Amazon listing sheet, maybe how you'll do it, draft listing, maybe package brief, and package design. And this is it. Yeah, that's it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Everything needs to be done by, like a lot of things needs to be done by Wednesday or tomorrow. Actually, okay, I'll put start dates today. And maybe I'm gonna give you one more day.
Batul, I have a question regarding comparative analysis. I would need ChatGPT, and I do not have this because I have a limited ChatGPT and it gives a limited data. So
Why do you need ChatGPT for computer analysis?
because normally we do research with the help of ChatGPT. Normally we take out data with the help of ChatGPT.
Okay, but the we don't have the paid one.
Because George said you use yours, so I don't have Debly in ChatGPT.
So you need to figure something out regarding this because we don't have the paid membership anymore.
Okay.
Okay, so I gave you till Wednesday, but that doesn't mean Wednesday morning start working on it. That means the starting date is today, and you have a maximum of Wednesday. Don't
Okay.
start working on them Wednesday, please.
Okay.
I just gave you the very last day of like submitting everything.
Okay.
So everything, a lot of things needs to be done by Wednesday, and then the rest we have one by Friday, and then Sunday is the last day of the half of this project. Any questions regarding this?
No.
Okay,
And nothing from my side right now.
awesome. Okay, so now regarding the trimmer. Oof. Okay. All right. So where are we here? Complex analysis. 3 days ago. You updated this. Work research. Wow, due date is November. And we are 7 months after. Good job.
No, actually, we did it recently again because competitor has changed. So George asked me to update the sheet again.
Thank
So
you
I
for
was,
clarifying that. That would be really awful if it took us like 7 months to finish the whole thing. Okay,
no,
okay,
no, I just did it last week.
okay. Product specification sheets. Is that done, or if we start working on finalizing this one? That was last month, maybe. Is this done, or what did we do here? Okay, actually, I'm not gonna ask anything before I came back, so let's just freshen things up. Product specification sheet. You know, remove that due date, and I'm gonna give it another week. And now I'm gonna comment here. So let's specification sheet. Delete, finish this. Okay. Raw samples in progress. Okay, this is very messy. What's on this detail sheet? Okay, I'm gonna take a look at this offline because this is a lot to process. I don't know where to start. But what I need you to do, so price analysis for Mediha. Where is the price analysis here? We just have some notes that we really need to price analysis. Okay. We're gonna do, I know this was completed just last month. Yeah, redo this. And he asked you to do that last month as well.
Yeah, it has already done with him.
Yeah, that was last month.
Yeah, it
I
was
need
done.
a new one. Yeah, I need a new one. And we're gonna check it this week, and we're gonna finalize this. You're never gonna do it again.
Okay.
Sorry about that. And please update this. We're gonna due date is Sunday as well. Okay, now the next thing, that's it for Medieha, yes, for now. And then to finalize this, I need Genevieve to do a couple of things. The first thing is to find the FBA fees. Okay, let's see, where can I put this? This is super messy. Okay, I'm gonna add a task for find, calculate. Almost here actually. Finalizing. No, and this should be done before the end of this week. So the first thing we need to do, create a new field. So I wanted to put it on Friday, but I know, well, it's a new week. So hopefully Chris will get back to you. Let's create task, and then I will put like subtasks. All right. So the first thing, Naveed, please focus with me. So if you have anything to ask now, or calculate FBA fees. And how you do that for the bundle. You want to contact Chris. Actually, I'm going to contact Chris to ask for. First one is bundle size and weight with the pack. So bundle size and weight with its packaging, and the cost, and my one bag instead of two. And if I remember correctly, he gave us a discounted price for them. So size, weight, cost. Okay, so that's the thing you need to contact Chris for. Okay, any questions so far?
No. Looks
Okay,
simple.
that's it.
Yeah.
Very high priority. You start today. Yeah, try to just send him a message now or today after this meeting, so you have like more days to go back and forth to get everything from him.
Okay.
Okay, so we ask Chris for these, and then after you're done, I wanted you to calculate FBA fees and finalizing too. Any questions?
Not right now.
Awesome. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk to you about is, well, two more things actually. The codes for the attachments. George told me that you got new codes. Can you walk me through them? Maybe
Um, which one you are talking about?
attachment for the trimmer, the corded trimmer attachment.
Okay.
He said the first quotes that you got was like 20,000 ish. And he asked you to like dig more, like deeper to get like more quotes. And he told me that you got new quotes, but he didn't get a chance to take a look at them.
Oh, okay. So mainly focused on the sourcing task, right? So the supplier I had contacted earlier responded with quotations, which I have updated in the sheet. After that, I began negotiating phase, and I'm still actively working with multiple suppliers to reduce the cost further. Currently, one supplier is offering a lower mold and product cost compared to Tiana, which I have highlighted in the sheet. Another
Which sheet is that? Where can I find it? Quotes.
uh, so I'll share the link. Let me see.
Should be here somewhere. So question, did you send the files for more than the file from the designer to give to the supplier so they know what the attachments look like? And this is how they gave you that code?
Um, I updated images for the landing page as per instruction. I adjusted the sizes in Photoshop and uploaded them into the content section and updated the code accordingly.
What is those? What are those? The files or pictures? What are you talking about?
So can you come again with your question? I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
my question is the file. We have a designer that she designed the attachment that we want, the STL file.
Let
And
me.
then George told me that you gave it to one of the suppliers, and she updated it, and she sent us the file. Did you upload that?
I think yes. I will share it with you. I'm actually on a different machine, so that's why after the call I'll share it with you.
Okay, just make sure we have everything. Make sure you send me a link of the quotes as well, so I can take a look at them. And product analysis as well. You need to. Yeah, خلصت product analysis. Price. So that should be for you, Naveed.
Okay.
Product analysis and product specification sheets. Okay. Yeah. So for this week, for this attachment, for the attachment for the coded summary, we want to do price analysis by Sunday, product specification sheets, and we want to finalize the cost and fees and calculate the FBA fees and CM2. So most of them is for you, Naveed, for this product. Any questions?
Yeah, a lot of work, so no questions right now. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. This week, I put everything for this week. Not everything, like I put a good amount of work for this week. I know you guys, it's been slow for you for last couple of months, but now we want to like focus on these tasks.
Yeah.
And since I'm back, everything should go back as it was. So if you're working full time, we're expected to work full time. If you're doing part time, you're expected to do part time as well, like 20 and 40 hours a week. But again, as I said, this week is going to be more pressure on the task, and then the couple of weeks after that, just finalizing these tasks. So if we start this project and the other project, if we start it like right, if we start it with all the energy that we have, we finalize the tasks that we have, it should be slower the couple of weeks after that, just to finalize everything that you already started this week. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Any questions?
No.
Awesome. If you guys need anything in the meanwhile, just send me a text. And like, I want you to send me a text on chat, the Google chat, and then write your comments here as well. So if we want to, when we go back to our next meeting, I need to see all the comments here. And in the meantime, if you need anything urgent, send me on Google chat.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so another thing that I need you guys to do, instead of sending the report at the end of the week on Fridays, don't send it to George anymore, just send it to me. And just for this week, and then starting next week, I'll have a sheet and you guys can go and just update that sheet instead of just sending messages. So for this Friday, send me the report for the week,
Okay.
and then I will start working on a sheet you guys can update every Friday, so I can just take a look at the sheet instead of going back and forth with the messages.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
No.
Thank you guys. Have a good night, and we'll talk soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night.
Bye-bye.